What's up, video family? This is Tish. Thank you for watching Lose Weight Now TV. This video is more like a food headline video, since doing without, sorry, I'm easily distracted. Since I don't have my laptop and I'm backed up on some of my videos, but so this one's going to combine some stuff. The March on Monsanto was very successful, and there was a headline that they were leaving Europe, and I don't know, I may have said that on here, and that's a good thing, but I don't think they're giving up. You know, they're just gonna try to sneak in, but hopefully people, more and more countries are waking up to the dangers of GMO, and hopefully they'll start looking for the game plan that they have, and now that they know, they can step it up and be like China and Japan and burn these things when they come in. But what I'm really happy about today is the Supreme Court said that human genes cannot be patented. That is awesome, and I know some people are like, what does that even mean? Companies, pharmaceutical companies and biological companies were trying to patent human genes, because you know, when your baby's born and they come and they take some of that blood, and the cord and the placenta, all of that gets sampled and it goes into a database. And how this all came to fact, if you don't believe me, you can go look it up, but it came to public knowledge because this woman had a rare disease, and to get the treatment, she had to go, you know, to some lab or whatever, right? And then the lab was like, well, sorry, there is a treatment, but it costs like $4,000 because some company owns your genes. And she was like, wait a minute, these are my genes. God makes human. Man doesn't make human. So how can some company say they own our genes? And I think it's ludicrous that it even had to go to the Supreme Court to have someone say, no, human genes can't be patented. That's just insane. But I'm glad that they did it. And I think that woman may have even died by now because it's taken so long. But so that's one step for mankind, or whatever, one good thing for men. But and trust me, don't believe me, they're gonna try some way. What they'll do is they'll change something, extract something out of it, and they'll try to patent that. It's insane what these companies are trying to do, and it's all about life and controlling life. So that was, whether you know it or not, or I know a lot of people don't pay attention to stuff like that, that is a victory for humanity. Alright, so now getting back to Monsanto. Oh, someone sent me a list of companies that are owned by Monsanto, and Betty Crocker's on there. Some other, I mean, I haven't bought Betty Crocker in years, but I did used to use Betty Crocker stuff. But so I urge you, go to my blog, and it's a tab on there. It's a tab that says Say No to GMO, and then also there's an app that you can get for your smartphone, that if you're in a store, you can scan the thing, the barcode, and it will tell you who owns that and if the probability of GMOs being in it. That's another win for, I say, humanity. Okay, what else did I want? Okay, did you see the article, or there's an article about pigs. Pigs sure have been in the news a lot lately, but the farmers who are feeding their pigs the GMO, what's the stuff? Feed. It's turning the stomachs of the pigs into mush. And now remember Trading Places? Did you ever watch the movie Trading Places? If you haven't, you need to go watch that. But they talk about pork bellies in that movie. But I think pork bellies are, or they used to be, maybe they're not so much important anymore, but they were an important commodity at one time. But, and so then, you know, the pigs eat the GMO and then you eat the pigs, so what are you getting? You're getting the GMO stuff in you. And then another thing that I saw this morning that I was so happy about is McDonald's is packing up camp and leaving Bolivia, the country of Bolivia, because the people there don't go there, so their profit margin is, you know, it's better for them to just pack up and leave. Now that's Bolivia. I don't even think that country is like the size of half the United States. It's a tiny country, and they don't eat fast food. But here we are, land of the sick and home of the watched. We support McDonald's fully, you know. So just some things to think about. There was one other thing that I wanted to say about food. But that's all. It's not here. I can't find it. And I know people say, you shouldn't be looking down. You should be looking at the camera. But, yeah, so, you know, you got to pay attention. Got to pay attention when you're going to the market. And, you know, it was hard for me. Believe me, I was raised on Kraft macaroni and cheese. I was Banquet. Banquet is another company that is owned by, I think, Monsanto or one of the other ones. All the brands that I used to buy until my son was like my first son was 6 years old, and he's 21 now, so do the math, because I can't. A lot of the brands that are famous, but even one thing that caught my eye was that Morningstar. A lot of vegetarians eat the vegetarian meals that I'm pretty sure it's Morningstar or Morning Fresh or something like that. And it's soy, it's tofu and soy, but I'm trying to tell people it's genetically modified and it's not good. It's not good for you. You might as well eat some organic meat if you're going to eat genetically modified soy and tofu. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching. Really be glad if you don't understand about the genes not being patented. That really go do some research on that, because that is a great and powerful thing for the good guys, we the people, right? We have to get up, people. You see, oh, in Taiwan, an even smaller country than Bolivia, Taiwan is the police or someone is keeping some certain farmers from being able to bring their chickens to the marketplace. So they were pelting the building of the police with eggs. So it just goes to show it's power to the people. And we can punch these New World Order people and punch these 1%ers in their gut when we buy neighborhood stores, farmers markets, and when you buy organic, and when you call these companies and say, why are you putting aspartame in bubble gum? You know, call these companies and call them to going back to the way food should be. I mean, not that we should be chewing bubble gum anyway, but but you know, if you're gonna buy your kids some bubble gum, you want to get the old-fashioned kind with no corn syrup, no aspartame in it. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Go to my blog and click on the, matter of fact, I'm going to put a link that will just go right to that page. So you don't have to see my blog. You can go right to the GMO page and print out that list, and I'll try to put a link there to that app, the name of that app that will scan the barcode. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless and be blessed. I'll see you in the next video.